Okay, hello dear friends, good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Oh, maybe I can tilt off here. Why not? They tell us to open up here, then I can open up here. So this is a loser unboxing. And as I have said many times, loser unboxing is not me being a loser, because sometimes I'm a loser, sometimes no, I'm always a winner. I'm always a winner. It's about different way of appreciation. Okay, when I say loser unboxing, it's I put myself into a position that I respect the things that I love, because I use my money in my bank account. It's a negative number. I lose my money to pay for something because I love it. And the winner unboxing is something that people send it to me. So this is a loser unboxing because I love it, because the seller is a winner. Oh, I'm so happy. I hesitated for a long time, and finally I decided I want to buy it, because these pens are almost finished. And this one is a 7, so I do not like 7, 0.7. I like very, very thick pens. So this one is 1.0, almost finished. I am so happy. And this one, I will change the tip into this 7s so that I will not use 7s. I just like very, very thick, bulky pens. Now let's take a look. I got a pen, I got an apple, I got a pen. Pen and apple, pen. Okay, so here it is. And zebra. I have some zebra. No, it's not here. But I think G2 and Zebra, they are all very good pens and big. Everyone, they have good pens, and they are producing something that really I love. And this time I found this pen, so I want to buy, because I finished this one. I'm so happy. Finally, I finished it. It feels so good. And they are so pretty. Oh, I love it, because it's so different. Usually we have these clip pens. You enjoy the mechanic, but after some time you just want to have this old style, old-fashioned old pen. So this is it, and it's triangle shaped, if you see. So I think this is very, very smart. First, when your hand hold it, 2 finger and this, your hand form a triangle. This is ergonomically designed. Of course, if you do 6, also good, because you can hold it. And for teachers, this is by far the best. You put on the table, and if you have a round pen, I think it's time for Crayola to think. This one, it's okay, but if a pencil, it fall off. Maybe industrially it is easy to make, but things like this is so much better for teachers. You give to students and fall down, or even ourselves use it. At home it fall down, but this one, it stays. So good. Did you find the hole in the big? No, this one is not about the big. Big is so smooth. And so this is my big fat pen. Big fat pens, and they are water-based. Let me see. And this one is Zebra. I love Zebra fashion. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love this pen. and it's thin. So this is thick, but this one is thin. You feel very precise. Oh my goodness. Oh, sorry, my family is cleaning up the window. Oh, big, fat pen. Oh my goodness, I love it. 我爱这支笔。Oh wow, so smooth. Oh, what is going on? Did I write too fast? Oh, this is not a good advertisement. Let me shake it. Go down. Okay. Maybe because you write too fast, then it goes out of. And also, every time when you use this kind of pen, let the ink get the right supply. And if there is no ink coming out, shake it a little bit. You can see I shake it. So you shake it, and then the ink will drop down, and that will help. See? Not the problem of the pen. Maybe out of a gazillion year that may happen, but usually it's not a problem. And this must be water-based. Let's do one. Here's this water-based. Oh my, I so love this. Okay, I love it so much, I will marry it. Why don't you marry? Yeah, get my brush. I always have some brush handy. I think I even have some watercolor paper handy. Okay, I do. Let's give it a try. So you do doodling. Oh my goodness. And they have a different kind. This one is neon. And there are 5 neon, 5 usual color. Oh, let's try the neon. I'm pretty sure this 5 seems neon. Let's take a look. This, not sure. But this one must be neon. Shake it. Neon color. Oh, wow. Oh, I love it. Oh, my. Oh, wow. This is neon color. Zebra. There. Let it shake it a little bit. If your pen does not work well, maybe it's because of the shipping and it goes this way. Never, if you want to use a pen, never put it this way because the ink will go down. Always put it this way. Put on. Oh, did you hear? There is something. Oh, that's a very smart design. Oh, this is the same. This is the clip. Oh. Oh, yeah. I cannot because it's a triangle. Yeah. Oh, that's fun. I like that sound. I remember my son, when he was in 5th grade, I think, 5th grade or which grade, and his teacher has a pen, a little teeny tiny little pen, and have this clip sound. And the teacher said, if you do good job, I will give you this pen. And my son was doing very hard, and he won that pen, and he kept that pen for forever. And it's very special. Imagine you are a teacher, you have a pen that can make popping sound. Your student will love it for the rest of his life. Okay, so that's about it. Now I will try to use some water. Let's take a look. This must be water-based. See, you can do a little bit, not a big deal, but it's water-based. So when you do doodling, I have this doodle paper, very thick watercolor paper on my Etsy shop. The purpose is that people can use it for use multimedia. For example, if you put some water, that is watercolor paper. Anyway, I'm a little bit. Ooh, look at it. I should use a bit. Oh, sometimes when there's more ink, it's even better. You can wash it out. Not totally wash out, but so that's the purpose of me having this, because you can do your drawing in the neon color seems not so water-based. A little bit, but not so water-based. Not so much. Yes, it is a little bit. Okay. Oh, I love these pens. Oh my goodness. If I was still in class teaching, my students will come to my table and get all these. I mean, they will be so happy to use this to write, and I will be so happy to let them write with this. Oh gosh, so good. So beautiful pens. I love it. Let's do some math just using this pen right here, right now. Right. Oh yeah. When you first start, it's not yet good. Just shake it a little bit. Right here. Right. Now you can feel the rolling. And the difference between this one, I need to be honest, this one and this one, G2, a great pen. You can write in a very fast speed and always smooth. And this one seems, it calls attention. You can hear the sound. And this one is smooth. All good, all good. It's good to have a change. I am so happy. I am so happy. And also, it depends on the paper you use. Some paper absorb more, so the water does not show up that much. Both this G2 and this zebra pen. Oh gosh! You know what I am going to do? I will not waste it. I will use and finish each and single one of these. This is my goal. And I have already finished this, finished the green one, so I change into blue because I finished the blue. I finished this. This one is almost finished, and the red is almost finished. Oh, I'm so proud of myself. I will finish each and every single one of this. My goal of life. Isn't it simple? Just so simple. Bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. You have all these beautiful pens. I love you. I really do.